Welcome to Peaceful Pause. Before we start the Morning Bliss Meditation, find a comfortable seated position, with your spine tall and your palms resting gently on your knees. Close your eyes and begin to bring your awareness to your breath. As we slow down, begin to deepen our breath by breathing in and out fully. As you inhale, feel the breath filling your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. And as you exhale, feel a sense of release, letting go of any tension or stress from the night before. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Let go of any thoughts about the day ahead, any worries or to-do lists. This is your time to simply be, to connect with yourself and set the tone for your day. Now, bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each exhale, allow them to soften and release. Letting go of any resistance you are holding on to. I would like to invite you to bring to mind 3 things you're grateful for today. They could be simple things, like the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of birds chirping, or the love of a friend or family member. Whatever comes to mind, allow yourself to fully appreciate these blessings in your life. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize yourself surrounded by a warm, golden light. This light represents love, peace, and positivity. Feel it wrapping around you like a comforting embrace, filling you with a sense of calm and contentment. Take a moment to set an intention for your day. What qualities do you want to cultivate? How do you want to show up in the world? Allow your heart to guide you as you choose your intention and hold it gently in your mind. And now, as we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for taking this time to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Know that you carry this sense of peace and presence with you as you move through your day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the world around you. May you carry the peace of this morning meditation with you wherever you go. Namaste.